understandable that many citizens are frustrated with civilian governments that have failed to deliver on governance and security. We should also not mince words that military rule is not a viable alternative in tackling governance deficits. History has shown that military regimes do not provide sustainable solutions. In fact, in the 3 countries that have now exited ECOWAS, terrorism and insecurity have worsened since the military took over there. The challenge for ECOWAS is how to engage these regimes while also ensuring a pathway back to credible democratic governance.
Today's popular method of state capture is by member states eliminating dangerous opponents, whether political parties or candidates, from the electoral process. I mean, that is the latest fashion, in West Africa and others, so that hollowing out the very essence of competitiveness when it comes to that. And that was one of the reasons the 3 member states in ECOWAS, decided to leave. It was one of the reasons. The other was insecurity.